welcome to this new episode of Truth, Science, and Spirit. I am so happy to re-welcome my friend and colleague Karen Kingston. She's been on this show already several times, and I think it is so meaningful to reconnect with Karen after this incredible journey that we've been through in the last 3 years, and now all these publications are coming out. So welcome, Karen. I'm so excited to talk to you today.
Hi, Anna. So excited too.
So, so, I just did this interview with Dr. Youngmin Lee and Professor Daniel Brody. I was in a group with them, and I saw the research 2 years ago before it now finally got published. And, you and I, we've been out there for a long time discussing the self-assembling nanotechnology, the bioweapons, and just kind of give you a perspective of, how important it is that all of this research continues to be coming out and where we're at in this journey.
Thank you so much for having me back. And you and I met actually during an interview with Rainer Fulmick and Dr. Michael Eden over this exact topic, over nanoparticle technology, nanotechnology. And the reason why the topic's so important, and we'll go into this a little bit more, is because, as you and I both know, it's been around for decades. The United States federal government acknowledged the use of nanotechnology officially in the year 2000. In 2007, the FDA said we're not going to regulate it. And that's when the nanotech industry said, look, you know what? If someone gets harmed or poisoned or killed by our nanotech, we'll be responsible. But the way that they never get caught is they pretend the technology doesn't exist. So if we never identify the weapon, then we can't identify the crime and we can't prosecute the criminals. And I remember during that